My arm hurt already. Hey y'all. Hey, it's your girl Zamarla Show, but you can call me Z because who trying to say Zamaria? Not you, not me, not nobody. Today, y'all, I'm gonna be attempting to put this wig on my head. I'm gonna attempt to put this wig on my head. Y'all ain't never put a wig on my head. Like, I reinstalled the wig. I never put the wig on my, cut the legs, put the wig on my head. So we're gonna see how this goes, y'all. I bleached the knots. I bleached the knots. I really low-key could have went a little bit longer, but it was like over an hour. With that, I had to do it twice. This one I did it and it bleached, but it didn't bleach, so I had to do it again. So it did and it took, but I feel like I low-key could have went longer. But with bleaching it yesterday and today, it was over an hour, so that was crazy. So I had to, I was like, nah, I'm just gonna let it do what it do, and we're gonna make it work. Yeah, we're gonna make it work. We're gonna make it work. We're gonna have to make it work. Don't ask me where this wig from because I don't know. Don't ask me no links, no nothing because I don't know. And PSA, FYI, this is not no tutorial because I don't know what I'm doing. This is trial and error, baby. I don't know what I'm doing, so don't even think this is a tutorial because it's not. So we're gonna hope and pray that this come out good, because if not, I might just fall over. Cause I need my hair done. This ain't even glued down to my head. I need my hair done, and this is what we're gonna do. So yeah, first we're gonna start with a ball cap, and then we're gonna get into it. I'm not gonna yai. I'm not gonna do too much talking because I'm about to watch a movie. So yeah, but yeah, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get this thing started. So y'all, we finna attempt to do this ball cap. We finna try, see, and see what comes of it. Cause I don't know what we gonna do. Good, but I feel like I might eat them. But we're gonna see. We're gonna see. Alright, y'all. So I got my little scissors. I'm about to cut my ear tabs out. So if I actually take my earrings off, we're gonna see. I'm gonna cut my ear tabs, and we're literally just hoping for the best here. Honestly, one teasly. Alright, number one. Let's hit this other side. Yeah, let me take these freaking earrings out, because they are, ow. I feel like it might be. I feel like my install, it might eat. It might eat. It better eat. It needs to eat. Like oh, we gotta hope and pray for the best. Like honestly, we're praying because do I really know what I'm doing? Do I? Question mark. Pretty big question mark. I'm not going to y'all. But we are team do it yourself. We as team do it yourself sometimes. Today we're team do it yourself. We're gonna I just realized I didn't plug that wig. Why is the back of my ear wet? Is that spray? What the freak? Y'all, I got the cap on my head, but I gotta go to the hair store because I need tweezers because I have no clue where my tweezers went. My tweezers literally disappeared. I have no clue where they went. So now I go to the freaking hair store. Now I gotta go get tweezers. So I'll be back. Alright, y'all, I am back in the hair store and I plucked my wig a little bit. I'm probably not like pluck it again while it's on my head just to see, but you know, just got to see. But y'all, I'm about to fix this up a little bit and you know, get this show on the road. Get this show on the road. Got Ruby Kisses. I think I'm gonna mix the two, but y'all, I do not have the right brush for this. But You know, your girl don't wear makeup, so your girl don't have makeup brushes. That's the egg. Is she getting bald-headed? Is she getting bald-headed? Like, y'all know this part is messed up, like, at this point. I don't care, I'm not fixing it, like, it is what it is. It's just gonna be messed up. Okay. Maybe I put some on the wig. I got the makeup on the wig. Now I'm just going to put it below my head. Try to get it to sit the right way. Let's see. What is she giving? What is she giving? I'm gonna have to plug it some more though. Cause like, I'm gonna plug it some more. It's too thick in there. Karma's really real. How am I still here? Just seems so unfair. I could be wrong though. If there's a point to being good, then where's my reward? The good die young and poor. I gave it all I could. I can barely see it. Oh, hang on. I need to clock it. Alright, y'all. So I just hot combed it back. Well, I'm still kind of hot combing it, but I'm hot combing it back. Why am I talking like it's a tutorial and like I know what I'm doing because I know what I'm doing, but I'm just hot combing it backwards. So let's see, make sure I got it pulled. But make sure I got it pulled down far enough. Bam. 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 Yeah, I thought that was gonna be hard, but that was actually not that hard. Bam. Bam, bam. Alright. I think I'm about to cut this back a little bit because I kind of feel like it's too low. I'm about to do this. Just pull this down. I'm gonna cut this. Let's see. Alright. Bam. Bring that down. Alright. Uh-oh. They spicy hot. I'm doing section by section, y'all. Let's see how it's going. Wishing me luck, wishing me luck. Oh, shoot. Hold on, let me clean off my forehead. Y'all, I really hope that I eat this thing the way that I think I'm eating this thing. Like, I really hope that it really chef's kiss. Like, cause if not, I might just cry. I should have cut that one. Very well. The last section to go down. This last little flab. So I'm gonna do this flab and I'm gonna come back when I do the flab. Alright, so the whole thing is go down. I'm just gonna wrap it up. Wrap this thing.
Look at her. Look at her, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Ay, catch me in the whip riding with her. Ay, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in a hassle. Oh, damn, yeah. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I can lend you. Oh, a piece of mind, baby, come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, fuck your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl, I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you tryna tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm tryna keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all the questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Coles, you in dental school. Wife and now you fuck with clothes, cooking dinner too. Young killer, girl, I'm known as Pink Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas Thursday, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me.
Oh, nah.
Wow.
Did I eat? Did I eat? Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop. Hang on. Nah, because did I actually eat though? Don't be. Did I actually eat though? Low-key? Low-key, did I? Oh, nah, I don't know how to do these edges. That's the only thing that's about to that's gonna get me, cause you know, it's really giving like I'm done for today, pick it up tomorrow. Yeah.
A tornado flew around my room before you came. Excuse the mess it made. It usually doesn't rain in Southern California, much like Arizona. My eyes don't shed tears, but boy they pour when I'm thinking about you. Ooh, no, no, no. I've been thinking about you. You, no, no, no. I've been thinking about you. Do you think about me still? Do you not think so far ahead? Do you not? 'Cause I've been thinking about forever. Ooh. Do you not think so far ahead? Do you not? 'Cause I've been thinking about forever. Ooh. No, I don't like you, I just thought you were cool enough to kick it. Got a beach house I could sell you in Idaho. Since you think I don't love you, I just thought you were cute. That's why I kiss you. Got a fighter jet, I don't get to fly it, though I'm lying down thinking about you. Ooh, no, 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 I've been thinking about you.
I'm not even gonna lie, y'all. It was supposed to be a half up, half down, but that half up, half down is like, it's so dead. So she is in a middle part for right now. I might change her, but for right now, she's in a middle part. And I ain't got no edges, but I'm about to go to sleep. I'm about to go to sleep. And we're gonna finish this tomorrow. So I will see y'all. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Like I will see y'all tomorrow because yeah, I'm done for the night.
Oh, that's nuts, man.
He's speeding the rape, all his hand on my coochie. He touching a million coochie, doing good, jump Gucci. Fly to Asia, he feeding me sushi. When we it feel like a movie. Rock, ain't never been a groupie. Still on a hoe, I like my nigga bougie. Tell me you don't never wanna lose me. Tell me you don't never wanna lose me. Tell me me you'll never wanna lose me. Tell 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 me you'll never. Keep me a Haitian, I love me a South. When I get round, I might act like a hoe. When I get round, I might act like a hoe. He wanna split, I feel like Amber Rose. Make up, touch your toes. Hit from the back, I won't move. Nigga, I love when you choke. I'm so conceited. Got a real nigga, don't need no leeches. And I got him where I want him. On his face, now I'm leaving him speechless. So you can call if you need me. Tell me you ain't never ever leaving. When I suck it, I look in your eyes. You better like you mean it.
I'm sliding the look, got one hand on the coochie. Sticky, no biggie and juicy. Thinking she drinking, she think it's Lucy. We filming no flicking, no Cupid. Twist on her like she fidget the Rubik. As soon as we pull up, we hit the jacuzzi. So we take it to the button her back. Ayy, living that shit, no rubber, yeah. Like butter, I'm coming right back. Ayy, ayy. Ain't even whipping, I ain't coming no hoop. The whole eyes don't proud, no truth. She on my top, made a mess, no truth. Tryna earn, keep had flex on her. Don't even think about the rest, she ain't on the break, she the best on her. Grab my keys.
He's speeding no right while they sit on my coochie. He touching a million coochie. Doing good, I'm Gucci. Fly to Asia, he feeding me sushi. When we f***ing, it feel like a movie. Rob ain't never been a groupie. Step on a hoe, I like my nigga bougie. Tell me you'll never wanna lose me.
Oh, that's nuts, man.
Yeah, girl, I know you wanna. She's a spice, ride pipe like bike, like Yokohama. She heard the thing bend like banana, so she wanna give me the adunana ni. Oh, yeah. She say I'm a sweeter man, but she say that she don't need a man. I say why don't we make an agreement, then we can just while we're being friends. Girl, I know you wanna. You know I wanna, girl, I know you wanna. You know I wanna. Girl, they too fly, though. That's all I know. She don't sing songs, but if I go strong, she gon' hit this high note. She knows she working with the nana. She wanna give me the adunana. Yeah. She say I'm a sweeter man. She say that she don't need a man. What if we make an agreement, then we can't just while we're being friends, girl? I know you want it. I know you want it. Girl, I know you want it. I know you want to, girl. Ride your pipe like a bike, oh. Do the things you know I like, oh. I'm the man in my ends, oh.
Love yours.